He didn't know you were there. He didn't know you were there.
Mommy.
He didn't know you were there.
Did.
No, he didn't.
Went down my shirt. Isaac. You put it on my shirt.
Maybe catch, Mama.
No, do Devin.
You guys are supposed to clean the poop.
We're just missing Dominic.
Are those the new pants?
Yeah, those are the new
What
pants.
about Isaac? Or Mommy? It's too high.
It's too high.
Hey, look, ready?
Throw it to Daddy, Avery. Okay, get Daddy.
Whoa.
Good job, Mama.
Good job. Ready?
Hey, now go.
Ah.
Okay.
Oh,
Who do that? Isaac.
Ata.
Oh.
Hey, that's so close to the face. Maybe, okay.
Let her go.
Get him, maybe.
Aaron.
not at the face though, Devin.
You're gonna fall down and break your
Go, Daddy.
collarbone.
Hey, what's up?
What? You're in poop.
Oh, man.
You're in poop area, right? What are you doing with it? That's all poop in this too. Come here, Amy. Get out of the poop. Yes. What the heck?
In it.
Over there.
I didn't see it. Oh, Bailey had something.
Oh.
A football? Go, Bailey, go! Oh, Isaac! Pegado.
Yeah, that's poop area.
Isaac, you got Dad.
Did I get him good?
Yes.
Did you record it too?
I kind of think I got it.
Let me see. Pause it.